The universe is saying it's only natural to feel a little anxious when you cannot see your way forward 100%, but it's important you continue to trust in it. Drop any worries over what is next, as it really is not necessary. Replenish and restore in the knowing that a magnificent plan for you has already been made. Leave the past with that which no longer serves behind you, as you are on the right track. Keep moving forward towards the extra blessings you deserve and don't look back. Your divine light team are working things out in your favor behind the scenes, and all is running on perfect divine right time and is in divine order. Your path ahead is illuminated with many unforeseen blessings. You are a magnet right now for abundant change. Believe it and embrace it. Your beautiful future is going to magically materialize right in front of your eyes. Beautiful soul, it's time to move up a level and rise.